Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So we're unboxing the February Allure beauty box and I couldn't be more excited. If you want to see what I got in this month's box, stay tuned. I had a knife around here to open this box, but I can't seem to find it. Okay, so this is, I think, essentially my third, this is probably my third Allure beauty box, and I think I put the first one in. I filmed, which I'll leave down below. The second one I just didn't get around to filming and putting on, just due to some things that were going on. So I'm happy to be back with my third Allure beauty box. I think that this, I'll leave all the information down below, but if I've got it right, this is $15 a month, so a little bit higher than the Play by Sephora or by Ipsy, but you do get full-size items in this, so that's kind of the really cool thing. So it has a little quote in there that says sheet mask and chill, which, hello, that's my jam, sheet mask. And then you get this a little tiny magazine, and it goes through all of the things that you have gotten in this month's box, and descriptions, the full-size retail value of it, and a little bit about why the editors or the people of Allure like this item. So let's look. So the first thing I'm seeing is by Juice Beauty, and there's Gwyneth Paltrow right on the top, and it says Juice Beauty's creative director of makeup, Gwyneth Paltrow. So the shade is N and Nuance Gwyneth, and it's a phytopigment liquid lip. Now I'm going to open this up, and it says this is created by, again, Gwyneth Paltrow, and it says, as a product of the 90s, I will always love deep berry lips and 90210 and Clueless. Love it. Me too. So I was instantly drawn to this liquid lip color, a brighter, fresher take on the dark plum that speaks to my inner Shannon Doherty. So it's by Juice Beauty. The price for a full size is $24, and they do a lot of times give you coupon codes to the companies, like a coupon code to Juice Beauty to get this item or other items. So that is really cool. I'm gonna take off what I have, which is that kind of deep, huh? I think I'm gonna love this lipstick shade if I like it. I think it'd be a perfect like spring shade into summer. Let's try it. This little tiny, not super, oh yeah, this is good. This is really good. I love this. And it is not matte. This is like a, like, how pretty is that? The shine is really pretty. I'm really into matte lipsticks, but I'm all about a gloss for summer. So again, it's a liquid lip, but it is not, it's not like a matte by any means. It says lip stain, a velvety lacquer-like finish without feeling tacky or drying. So it doesn't feel, it feels like a gloss. So we'll kind of see how it dries down, but I'm really liking this shade, and it's so good, so good. Okay, so let's see what else is in this box. Okay, so next up we have the Skin Fix Natural Minty Mint Lip Repair Balm for soft, smooth lips. This stuff is actually really good. I just picked up the lemon mint just the other day to keep in my car. I like these for my car because they don't like melt everywhere like a chapstick would do. And it's been really good. It's a blend of beeswax and natural oils to keep your lips smooth. It smells light but refreshing, and the 40% coconut oil base is hydrating, and the balm doesn't have any phthalates, synthetic flavors, or parabens. So it retails for $4.99. So it actually is really good. Again, I really liked the one that I picked up at the drugstore. I'm excited to have another one because, again, I like keeping these in my car because then they don't melt all over. Yeah. So then, next up we have the Tarte Tarteist Lash Paint Mascara. So this is the deluxe size of the Lash Paint Mascara, and this is actually really good. I actually use this lash paint. I have the full size. I think I got it in a BoxyCharm. I had never tried it before. And the full size is $23. Again, it's from Tarte. And this separates your lashes, so there's lots of length and no clumps. And it's pretty sure, I'm not going to open this because I haven't opened one, but it has those small rubbery bristles, and I find this is a really good everyday mascara. This is really good for length, and I wear this again every single day when I'm working and I just want something that's going to give me length, but I don't want it to be super va-va-voom. This is perfect. It's a good everyday mascara. I really love it. I'm excited to have the travel size to travel with. Okay, next up we have, oh, I've been wanting to try this brand. I've seen and heard a lot about it. It's Youth to the People, and it's a kale and spinach green tea hyaluronic acid. So let's read a little bit about that, because I'm all about reading what the deal is on all of these. And it says, this is a moisture cream, an age prevention moisture cream that has a subtle scent that doesn't feel overpowering and absorbs very quickly into the skin, making you able to apply makeup over a really smooth, hydrated skin just a few minutes later. I'm so excited to try this. The scent is really light. It's not very full. I hate when you open these things and there's not a lot in it. But this nice sample size comes in a glass container. And again, I'm really excited to try it. And there is a coupon code with one of these also. So that's actually really nice that they offer that. Okay, and the last thing is a full size. And this is the Essence Moonlighter Cushion Calming Moisture Technology. Essence Moonlighter Cushion. Did I say that? I don't know if I said all of those words. So it says it's a serious highlighter. It's got that hyper glowy finish that's almost holographic. It's best for fair to medium skin tones. It was frosty on dark skin. So we'll see. So it's a cushion highlight. So let's see what this looks like. It's kind of a bummer that they give you something that they know that on not all skin tones is not going to be good, but I guess maybe they feel that most people have medium skin tones to light, but you never know. So it comes with this little sponge applicator. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this on. Does this have yeah, I was like, this is a frosty mirror, but it has this protective lining on it, and I really want to get it up because I can't see. Now it's sticking to me. Okay, so I just put a little bit on, and then I'm gonna go ahead, and it is really they weren't kidding when they called this a super highlighter. Look at that. That's no joke. Now I guess it could be a little bit ashy on me, but I don't think that but holy, it's really not the easiest to blend out. So if you are not a big fan of blinging highlight that almost on the airs of side of chunkiness, you may not like this. But you know what I could say about it is putting it look at that. That's no joke. And you couldn't really by the looks of it, almost just looks like a cushion foundation, so that could be a little deceiving. And it looks like it would be for someone with a darker skin tone, right? But again, they're right that if you have a darker skin tone, it can be a little bit too ashy. I think it looks okay, but if I put too much on, I could definitely kind of get that ashiness to it. But I think what could be really good about it is, I'm going to put some on. It's probably a really good nose highlight. And but it could be something where you put it on like for a really subtle highlight. If you have like a darker skin tone, you could probably put it on underneath your makeup and the places that you wanted to highlight on, and then maybe put like a foundation or a tinted moisturizer to kind of give you that glow from within. So that is it. I think overall it's a really good box. Again, I'm only about 3 months in, so I think the verdict is still out on if I want to continue this, but I think I got some really good stuff to try, brands that I've been wanting to try, some new stuff, a full-sized item. So I think for the price at this point, it's proving to be pretty good. So I hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't yet, and I look forward to seeing my next video. Bye.